Hi, for today's episode, we will teach you the correct way to assemble HAVVA60H. First, you need to unbox the water pump.
First, you need to take out your water pump and also the black connector from the plastic. Connect the PT socket with the black connector. Then, connect it into the outlet of the water hole on the water pump. Keep the remaining items in the water pump box.
Then, take out your growing buckets that have holes inside it.
Place your water pump inside the bucket. Make sure it is placed at the center of the bucket.
After that, connect 3 units of 50mm pipe with 2 units of PT connector.
Connect 3 sections of 50mm PVC pipe using the connector provided, just like this. Close the lid of the growing bucket. Thus, we have done the assembly of water pump in the system. Then, connect the PVC pipe to your connector on the water pump. Please stack each layer of the grower 360 accordingly. As you can see, there is a hole here. Make sure it's aligned to the tip here while stacking each layer. It's designed to be clipped on easily like this to make sure each layer being connected stably. Now, you can continue stacking it. You can also stack all layers together first. Then, place all in ones onto the bucket just like this. And stack the adapter at the top layer. Now, you can place the water dispenser inside it. Then, can turn on the water pump to check the water flow at the water dispenser and all water flow by each layer. But of course, you need to make sure there is water inside for testing. After that, can fix with the end cap on it. Lastly, can install the net pot on each layer of the grower 360. You need to make sure each net pot being locked to the grower 360 as shown. And fix the rubber stopper at the small hole on the lid. This is how your system being assembled.